Hi everyone, it's Lynnea. Today I'm showing off the iCrafter Koi Pillow Box die set. This is the die set that you see on screen here, and this is going to create the most adorable little gift box, and it looks just like a koi when it is assembled. So I'm going to start here by cutting all my pieces from white cardstock. You can use pattern paper, glitter papers, foil papers, anything you want. I'm using white because I'm going to pull out a product that I haven't used in a long time. So before we get to that, here are my pieces. I cut everything out, and now I'm going to place the main piece of the Koi Pillow Box die set in a mixed media box, and I'm breaking out my Distress Oxide sprays. I did a little test spray onto some scrap paper just so that I could make sure that my sprays weren't going to be clumpy because I haven't used them in so long, and I just went to town spraying. So the body of the fish, I used some blue and purple, and then I'm using yellow for the fins. I set everything aside to dry. They didn't take very long, and you could speed it up with a heat tool as well. Now I'm going to just score on, or fold rather, on those score lines. They were kind of hard for me to fold because I used such a heavy cardstock and then I sprayed a bunch of paint on it, so it was hard for me to see them. If I do this again, I think I would pre-score and fold my box so that I would know exactly where those lines were and then spray. That's just a little tip. I'm just going to fold everything together. The top ones kind of make a little U because they're going to form the top of the pillow box. And then the fish just folds in half, and you can immediately see how this is going to form a little koi fish body. I'm going to adhere all the pieces onto the body of the fish before I actually glue the box together. So this is like the little side cheek of the koi. That's what I like to call it. I'm not sure what it's actually called. I'm not a marine biologist, clearly. And then I'm going to glue on all the fins, including that one fin on the tail, and then there's another one that kind of sticks out of the top of the koi. I did create the little eye. That's a die cut piece that I die cut from white, and then I just colored in the center of the eye with a black Copic marker. I think I used N8 for this, so it's a dark gray, not actually black, but that's what I like to use for my black. Okay, now here's the part where I'm going to add that little fin into the inside of the koi pillow box. Then I'm going to add adhesive onto this little flap here. You can definitely use double-sided adhesive, tape runner, whatever you like to do. I just like the liquid adhesive because it gives me some time to shift things around and make sure that I have it in the right spot. I also added some adhesive onto the tail so that I could make sure that that closes up at the bottom. Then I'm just going to hold this in place for a minute. There's my son's hand. He was helping me do this. So once that glue is dried, here you can see that little koi is all assembled. You can see there's some little dots on his mouth there, or little holes rather, I should say. That's so you can add a string if you want to, so you can make this hanging little pillow box. I decided to leave off the string, and I'm just going to tuck in a bag of sequins. This is a perfect way to give sequins to a crafty friend or other little gifts. So that's it. That is the Koi Pillow Box die from iCrafter. Thank you for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye. Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.